Next General Beast Unleashed. McLaren GTS Evolution. Welcome to the world of speed, style, and innovation. This channel is all about the McLaren GTS Next Gen, the future of British supercar performance. From sleek design reveals and engine roars to test drives and tech breakdowns, we bring you the ultimate McLaren experience. Subscribe and feel the rush of next-gen speed. Unveiling the McLaren GTS Next Gen, a supercar revolution. McLaren GTS Next Gen vs 720S, power meets precision. Insane McLaren GTS acceleration test 0 to 100 in seconds. Top 10 features of the McLaren GTS you must see. McLaren GTS 2025 design, speed, and technology explained. The future of supercars, McLaren GTS in action. Real exhaust sound of McLaren GTS Next Gen, pure engine symphony. McLaren GTS night drive, lights, speed, and style. Ultimate review, why McLaren GTS dominates the road. McLaren GTS vs Ferrari 296 GTB, battle of next general supercars. Hashtag McLaren GTS. Hashtag Next Gen Supercar. Hashtag McLaren Life. Hashtag Supercar Lovers. Hash McLaren's 2025. Hashtag Luxury Performance. Hashtag Supercar Review. Hashtag McLaren Power. Hashtag Future of Speed. Hashtag British Engineering. Hashtag Car Culture. Hashtag Exotic Cars. Hashtag McLaren Fans. Hashtag Speed Addict. Hashtag Hypercar Vibes. McLaren GTS, Next Gen McLaren, McLaren GTS 2025, Supercar Review, McLaren Speed Test, Exotic Car Lovers, McLaren Next Generation, McLaren Design, McLaren Performance, McLaren Engine Sound, British Supercar, McLaren Road Test, Future Supercars, McLaren 2025 Model, Next Gen Hypercar, McLaren Technology, McLaren Showcase, Supercar Acceleration, McLaren Luxury, McLaren GTS Drive. McLaren GTS Next Gen, McLaren GTS 2025, McLaren GTS Review, McLaren GTS Top Speed, McLaren GTS Specs, McLaren Next Generation Car, McLaren Supercar 2025, McLaren Performance Test, McLaren Design 2025, McLaren Future Car, McLaren GTS Sound, McLaren GTS vs Ferrari, McLaren GTS Acceleration, McLaren GTS Exhaust, McLaren GTS Interior, McLaren Luxury Car, McLaren GTS Launch, McLaren GTS Test Drive, McLaren Technology 2025, McLaren GTS Features.